I've spent all of the love I saved. We were always a losing game. Hi and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C major, played with the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then you will have the A minor, composed of the C, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then F major, composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. Then G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Then E minor, composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. And eventually the D minor, played with the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. Of course, you will find the PDF file associated with this song in the description box, so feel free to use that resource. Let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table, and what I recommend is singing the melody, for it'll be much easier to understand the structure. So it would go like this. See? And repeat. And now for the first verse, well, you can use this same table again. A broken heart is all that's left. Repeat. I'm still fixing all the cracks. Repeat again. Okay, so play this table 8 times in total to complete the first verse. Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. And right after this, you will have the pre-chorus. So here's the table for that section. So take the F major and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so on 1, you play bass and chord. 2, you play nothing. 3, you play chord. And 4, you play bass, which gives this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. First, without the lyrics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. And now with the lyrics. I've spent all of the love I saved. We were always a losing game. Continue. Small town boy in a big arcade. I got addicted to a losing game. Chorus. And you will need a new table for that section, so let me display it to you, and keep in the same method. Here's how it's gonna sound with the lyrics. So to complete the first chorus, notice that you only played this table once. Keep in mind though that for the second chorus, you're gonna have to repeat this same table twice. So the second verse and the second pre-chorus are gonna be identical to the first ones, so just replay the corresponding tables. Next, play the second chorus, which I told you was twice as long, and then you will reach a bridge with a different chord order. So here is the corresponding table, and directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. I don't need your games, game over. Get me off this roller coaster. And then you will be able to finish the song by playing the chorus table again, playing it 4 times in total. I wish you good luck, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.